everyone, I hope you are doing good. I, on behalf of Radhika Classes, am here to give you some important questions for your subject SST, which we all usually feel to be a hectic for us and do not usually study it before exams as much as we study other subjects. So here are some important questions for you which would make things easy for you. So first we'll go with section B. So important questions for section B from all chapters have been picked up here. First question, the relationship of human life has been connected with the tree and the forest since the beginning. Explain the statement. Second, give information about Qutub Minar. Third, write a short note on biogas. Fourth, why did Kashmir Pandits migrate from their homeland? Fifth, name the writers of Sangeet Ratnakar and Sangeet Parijat. Sixth, why is mica used in electrical appliances? Seventh, explain the term scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Eighth, write about Garba and Garbi. Ninth, mention the challenges against the cotton textile industry. And 10th, why do we regard rivers as Lokmat? 11th, write notes about the wildlife on verge of extinction. 12th, during a visit to West Bengal, it was noticed that people extensively used jute doormats, ropes and gummy bags. What could be the reason for it? 13th, write about the different festivals that are celebrated in Gujarat. 14th, Bikaner area of Rajasthan is popular for inlay ornaments. Explain. 15th, pious hearts are welcomed in the Garden of Paradise. Explain it. 16th, identify me and write. First, Tassar, second, Sail. 17th, write the names of ancient universities and also write which Chinese travelers came to visit these universities. 18. Explain two terms. First, sanctuary. Second, national park. 19. Differentiate between economic and non-economic activities. 28. State the constitutional duties for preservation and conservation of our heritage. 21st, state any 4 remedies for forest conservation. 22. Discuss the importance of solar energy. 23. Write about the following words. First, cumin. Second, garba. 24. Mumbai and Ahmedabad became the center for cotton and textile industry. Explain. 25th, explain the difference between rebellion and terrorism. 26. Write a short note on Naxalism. 27. Aryans were nature lovers. Explain. 28. Identify me. First, Denim City of India. Second, I am an aquatic animal found along Gujarat coast, especially along Saurashtra coast. 29. Write a short note on Mongoloid. 30. State the difference between cultural and natural heritage. First, describe the places of pilgrimages in India. 32. Define the following terms. First, virgin vegetation. Second, protected forest. 33. Modern age is known as mineral age. Why? Now we move forward to important questions for section C, that is 3-marker questions. First, price rise is beneficial to as well as a hindrance in economic development. Explain the statement. Second, unemployment in India can be decreased through the opening of new areas of employment to plant manpower. Explain. Third, which are the schemes started by the government of Gujarat to ensure equality to women? Fourth, write a note on Vallabhi Vidyapith. Fifth, write a note on globalization. Sixth, describe architectural style of Taj Mahal. Seventh, what is terrorism? Write a note on terrorism in Kashmir. 8th, how does WTO impact the Indian economy? 9th, how can a consumer file a complaint if the product or service is faulty or deficient? 10th, how is soil classified? State the various types of it. 11th, what is meant by resource? Describe its usages. 12th, give differences between conventional and non-conventional resources. 13th, Lothal was an important port of Gujarat. Explain. 14th, mention the benefits and limitations of privatization. 15th, explain the terms first, national park, second, sanctuary, third, bioreserve. 16th, write a note on 3-tier codes. 17th, what is called as the king of grains? Explain. 18th, give information about Jain temples, that is Derasar. 19th, give any 5 reasons of price rise. And 20th, explain gender equality. 21st, the black soil is also known as the black cotton soil. Give reason. 22. How can we say that people of Mohenjo-daro were careful about their health as well as hygiene? 23rd. Why is the Gupta period regarded as the golden age of Indian arts? 24. What is HDI? What are the 3 indices on the basis of which it is being calculated? 25. Explain the concept of sustainable development. And 26th, write a note on types of agriculture. Now we move forward with important questions for section D, that is 4 mark. First, state the technical reforms brought in Indian agriculture. Name the institutions working on agricultural research at national level. Second, poors live in rich India. Explain the statement. Third, give brief information about Aryabhatta, Maharshi Charak as well as Varamihi. Fourth, explain agro-business policy and ENAM scheme. Fifth, describe the contribution of agriculture in the economy of India. And second, state the uses of maize. Sixth, suggest or discuss the measures to reduce unemployment in India. Seventh, unemployment in India can be decreased through the opening of new areas of employment plan through manpower. Explain. Eighth, chemistry is an experimental science. Explain the statement. Ninth, explain the importance of ancient India in the field of medicine and surgery. 10th, explain in detail schemes and programs undertaken by government to reduce poverty. First, Manrega. Second, Ma Annapurna Yojana. 11th, there is an immense contribution of ancient India in the field of Vastu Shastra. Discuss the following statement. 12th, state main reasons of unemployment in India. 13th, what are the provisions under RTE 2009, that is Right to Education 2009. 14th, name the methods of farming and also explain them. 15th, corruption is a global problem. Explain its adverse effects on the economy or society. 16th, which juvenile rights are included in the Indian Constitution. 17th, write a note on Poverty Alleviation Program, that is PAP. 18th, write the step to curb corruption. 19th, poverty in India is more deep-rooted in rural areas as compared to urban areas. Explain. 20. Give details about main types of unemployment. 21st, write the notable achievements in the field of mathematics. 22. Explain in detail world labor market. So these were some important questions by our side, and I wish all the students best of luck on behalf of Radhika classes, and we hope that you are preparing well for your exams, and we know you'll give your best and do your best. All the best. Thank you.